there's no doubt that the biggest single confusion is the confusion between self-control and self-regulation. So that's going to be our theme for tonight. But I'm going to try to do it in a certain way. I'm going to try to show how self-regulation is the roots of empathy. Okay, so that's our theme. So the first thing we have to get clear on is what it's not. So self-regulation has absolutely nothing to do with a child making an effort to inhibit his or her impulses or making an effort to delay gratifying a desire. What we've tried to explain as we teach this to teachers is self-regulation is what makes self-control possible. Self-regulation refers to a mechanism that is housed in the oldest part of the human brain. It's housed at the top of the brainstem, particularly in one single structure called the hypothalamus. And the hypothalamus is really interesting because we could do a little quiz tonight. I could ask you 100 questions, and I could guarantee that every single question you're going to get right because it's always the same answer. It's always the hypothalamus. It's quite extraordinary how many different functions this thing controls. And it really controls a whole bunch of mechanisms that we're going to try to understand that are critical for how well a child will do in all 5 domains of self-reg. So the 5 domains, if you don't know, are biological, having energy, dealing with stress, emotional, being able to deal with your catastrophic emotions, but also having positive emotions, experiencing love, interest, curiosity, cognitive, social, and prosocial. And Roots covers 2, 4, and 5. So if you don't know about this stuff, you have to get my book. We explain it in the book. I don't want to do that now. I want to talk about the Roots.